Class 9 Social Science History. Chapter 3. Give Captain Wells account of Assam. Broad answer type question and very important question it is. You may find it in almost all the maximum test boards, not almost all. And it may carry from 3 to 5 marks. Very important question, therefore please watch this video. Then the account is that Captain Wells led a military campaign in Assam to suppress Momaria rebellion and to re-establish Gaurinath Sinha, and he was successful. After that, the British government asked him to prepare a report regarding Assam, and he wrote to the British government in his report that there was monarchy in Assam. The king is selected through a particular process. He also wrote about the 5 powerful ministers whose infighting created problem in the Ahom kingdom, and due to that the Ahom kingdom became weak. He also wrote about the dictatorship of Kriti Chandra and immoral denial of Mohanmal Gohai from the Ahom throne, the murder of Momaria Mahantas, all these things about he wrote about all these things, and he wrote about the pike system. Pike system was like a slavery, and a unit of 4 pikes was called goat. In one goat, and 4 members were there, and each member had to work 3 months for the king without wages. Later, this system was divided into 2 parts. One was Kanari pike, another was Samua pike. Samua pike were released from physical labor, and they had to, for this they had to pay a nominal tax. But the Kanari pike were not given such relaxation, and this created a sense of dissatisfaction among them, and this led to the Momaria rebellion. Captain Wells write about the natural resources of Assam and told that Assam was rich in natural resources. There is huge prospect of development in Assam. This is what he wrote. He wrote about the trade of Assam. He wrote that the trade between Assam, Bengal, the trade, due to that trade, Assam earned 90,000 rupees, but because of the corrupted officials, only 26,000 rupees reached to the Ahom treasury. This is what he wrote. He wrote about salt, and wrote that salt was a very expensive commodity. It was beyond the purchasing power of the common people. The common people did not eat salt. It was so expensive. They had to stay without salt. And he also pointed out that there were 2 places in Assam where low quality salt produced, and that those places are Shadia and Naga Pahar. He wrote about Guwahati city. He told that it was a hugely populated city and spread on both the banks of the Brahmaputra. He wrote about Guwahati city and Rangpur. Rangpur was the capital of Ahom kingdom, and it was surrounded by dilapidated walls. There were the area around the kingdom capital was very fertile, and most of the lands were owned by the king. Then this way he gave a detailed description of Assam in his report, and this report proved to be very useful for the British East India Company when it tried to establish British rule in Assam. This report helped the British. थैंक यू। तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। आपको पसंद आएगा, आप इसको पढ़ें, देखें। मैं कोशिश करूँगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसके आंसर को दे दूँ, हिंदी में भी इंग्लिश में भी। थैंक यू।